In the beginning, there was nothing. And then God said, let there be light. And suddenly, you could see. So here we are. There's sensation. There's heart beating. There's bottom on your seat. There's hearing. There's feeling. There's drinking if you're drinking. There's eating if you're eating. And this is what is. This is what's happening, and this is all that's important. There's nothing else that's actually needed. And what is your gift, or is the gift, is the mystery. What is the end of limitation and the magic. Limitation only exists in what's not here. There is no limitation here. You might think that you're somebody looking, or you're somebody experiencing, but that's a thought, that's an idea that you're telling yourself. It's not actually the way it is. You aren't actually somebody that's looking at themselves, that's looking at the world. It's an energetic division which is created by story that you're somebody inside here or inside the body looking. You're not inside the body looking. There is only looking happening. That looking is free. It's full. You suffer when there's an identification with what you think. And the fundamental of what you think is that I am somebody inside the body. That I am somebody sitting, observing the world. That I'm somebody that's good or bad, or right or wrong, or tall or short, or fat or thin. That I'm somebody that's come from the past and sitting in this moment. That I've experienced a life of 38 years and that I've got another 38 years to live. That I'm rich or poor. That I can or can't do things. That things will or won't happen. I'm going to be successful or unsuccessful, victorious or not victorious, that I'm powerful, that I can choose or not choose, that I'm thinking, and all of that is what's left without it. What's left right here, right now? What is there?